What's up, guys? This one's a super quick and short video. I made fender linings in your wheel wells quite easily, actually. I don't have any materials here with me. I was looking for them. But in here, Philadelphia cream cheese containers. They literally mount right up against the wheel well, and you can glue them easily. And the backs, I tried the top of Tim Hortons iced cappuccino lid. Yeah, I just thought I'd show that. And for my TLO1, move the battery forward to put more weight up the front, and cut out some vegetable container plastic to create a seal at the bottom as well. So the wheel wells and inner linings actually meet up with this. It's pretty cool. And I just kind of glued it all together. I chose a TLO1 chassis because it's really enclosed. It's got a lot of space to work with. I personally really like the TLO1 chassis. I've got 4, 5, 6 of them. 4 of them realistically. 2 of them are just parts. And I chose this body to try because I have an extra one of these. And it's one of the ugliest bodies I have. Not because of what it is, but because of the guy who did the stickers that I bought this from. Terrible job. So I don't mind beating the crap out of this. So I decided to try it out on this. And it seems to work really well. They're really strong. I haven't jumped it or anything yet, but it does keep moisture, snow, and dirt completely out of the top section. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together so you can see. Quite easy to put together as well. And the holes already. The back, just gotta check everything's lining up. Nothing's catching. Good to go. Body's on. As you can see, it doesn't really affect anything. You can barely tell it's there. When you look underneath, yep, looks really good. Peace.